An equal future comes with equal opportunities in education. As CIFAL Istanbul, established in collaboration with Bahcesehir University and UNITAR, the United Nations Institute for Training and Research, we continue to promote and enhance quality, inclusive, and accessible education. We design projects for public and private sector leaders, representatives of civil society organizations, academics, local governments, and students, and strengthen the sustainable development capacities of individuals and institutions at national and international levels. We support the United Nations 2030 Sustainable Development Goals and place a sustainable future at the center of our work. Through the CIFAL Istanbul Youth Platform, we aim to create an environment of awareness among Bahcesehir University students about the United Nations systems, institutional structure, and the 2030 Agenda for the United Nations Sustainable Development Program. We are putting Bahcesehir University's signature on a sustainable future with our projects in the areas of social inclusion and economic development, from equal opportunities in education to gender equality, from clean energy and climate change to sustainable food and agriculture. The future is in sustainability. Sustainability is at CIFAL Istanbul.